In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge MacBook Pro without a charger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While it is possible for you to do this, it is going to depend on what items you have available around you. The bare minimum that you will need is going to be a USB-C cable. By using a USB-C cable, even if you don't have the wall adapter part, you can still charge your MacBook Pro. If you don't have access to a USB-C cable and the wall adapter, it basically becomes impossible, so keep that in mind. The easiest way by far is to find one of these wall USB outlets. You can find them on public places or modern cities, and all that you have to do is plug one end of a USB-C cable, or rather USB-A cable, into the wall outlet, and the other one goes into your MacBook. If you see a USB-C variant, of course, that should also work. These should provide power right away. They are designed to do so, and you will find them in conjunction with other standard wall outlets. This method is simple because, like I said, all that you need is the cable. You don't need the power brick or the wall adapter. And by plugging it in, you will be able to begin charging. But what if you don't have access to one of these USB wall outlets? The next best option would be a power bank. Of course, again, this is assuming that you have one or that you can purchase one. This should provide enough power for you to charge your MacBook regardless of the model. So you plug a USB cable in here, and then the other end goes into the MacBook, just like this solution here. If you don't have access to a cable, if you don't have a wall outlet, and you don't have any tools like a power bank, like I said before, it basically becomes impossible. This is entirely dependent on what you have around you, with the bare minimum being a cable. So look for any valid power source, either a wall outlet, something like a car adapter, connecting it to another MacBook, so you can use power pass-through, and as long as you have the cable connected to a valid power source, you will be good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.